Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable check-ins on Facebook page. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Make sure you are logging to your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon. Tap on About option. Now scroll down and then tap on Edit Public Details button. Scroll down and tap on Address. Now add your address. Now select the address from the map. And this is how you can enable check-ins on Facebook page. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.